Alright, to get the fan off, you're going to need to take off the undercover, which is this thing. And as you can see, it has a lot of bolts in it. A lot of bolts in it. 8mm. You're going to take all those off. Get under here with a Torx 25 and disconnect this from the fan here. Bolt. Slide this out of the way. There you go. Now that'll slide out of the way. And you have these clips here. You're just going to pull up and pull out of the way. And then we will finagle this thing out of here. Careful not to pull any hoses. Get anything caught. You don't want to break anything. See, loves to get caught on stuff. But bam, you got your fan out of the way. Now you've got a lot more room in here. See that? To work on your EGR cooler and your valve.